Guys, let's talk about Mina protocol on the channel. I think we talked about this about a month ago, and I think we've only touched on Mina protocol once. I just want to make clear that I do have some Mina protocol. It's a very small amount actually. I do wish I actually had more. But anyways, guys, let's just take a look at this real quick. Now you can see yesterday we did power through this 51 cent resistance. We didn't quite make it up to about 58 cents today. As you can see, this is a weekly resistance, and we're already pulling back a little bit. Now, we do need to get above 58 cents, of course. Let's take a quick look at this on a little bit longer time frame here. I think to really get bullish on Mina, let me put this on a weekly time frame maybe, because Mina has been down here for a while, guys. Yeah, I think we really need to break above about 87 cents here. That would take out the majority of this trading that we've been, in for a long time, guys. Yeah, so keep that in mind. The last few weeks, though, Mina has been going up. That looks nice. We are starting to take out, this area that we were in August. And yeah, I mean, let's try to get above about 58 cents. And that would take out pretty much the whole summer. That would be excellent. But like I said, we're still going to have to break up about 87 cents or so, break above it. And anyways, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Now, we are getting kind of a bearish engulfing candle here, unfortunately, on the day. And we'll see. We still have some time, guys. We still have, like 5 hours before this candle closes. Now, keep in mind, before we broke yesterday above this resistance here at 63.8, 63.9, we did hit that resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before we broke through it. So, the next resistance here, this weekly resistance at 64.7, we've hit it like 3 times already. So, we can still hit it for a couple more days, and then, we're going to have to probably move up, guys. This double bottom, though, will come into play as long as we can keep above 64.3. Now you can see that's pretty much where we're getting rejected. If I put my cursor here, it comes straight across over here, guys. I mean, it's getting rejected because this is an area of interest, and we have to break it for this double bottom here to play out. Now, the target of that double bottom, let me remind you, it's up here at about 74,500. So keep that in mind, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance. Today it's pretty much just gone. Well, it's gone down a little bit since earlier today, but it's only down slightly, on the day. So yeah, not much going on here. Though I can say that my altcoins have gone down a little bit today, despite this even being negative on the daily. So anyways, let's take a quick look here at the economic calendar. Now, tomorrow is a very important day. You have jobless claims, you got durable goods, you got core PCE prices, GDP, you got a lot of speakers tomorrow. So tomorrow is probably going to be a very volatile day. So keep that in mind, guys. Be watching, pretty much from, about 14:30. I believe this is Eastern Standard Time, so yeah, keep that in mind. And yeah, that's probably the most important time right here at about 2:30 Eastern Standard Time in America. So you're going to see all of these numbers be released, and then after that we have a lot of speakers, guys. So now the interest rate cuts pretty much same as yesterday. More people believing in a half-point cut than a quarter-point cut over here. But keep in mind, we still have a long way till 7th November, guys. So I'm not going to speculate too much on this right now. Doesn't make sense. So fear and greed, 59. It's up from yesterday. I'm really kind of surprised. It's up so much. Now, if we look at it, I mean, yeah, we did, go up quite a bit. And, we did break that resistance, but today we're moving back down and we're sitting about 63.4. So we're pretty much where we were yesterday. We didn't really lose that much. So I do, if we close down here, I do expect, you know, the 59 probably to move back, maybe even to about 54, you know, since that's pretty much where we started yesterday. Now, altcoin season, the index here shows 31. I think yesterday was a 33. Yeah, I can agree that it should probably move down because my altcoin bag did move down. But I still believe, guys, that this is going to move more towards alt season and very shortly. So yeah, we're still in the middle between Bitcoin season and altcoin season. But yeah, I think that, you know, Bitcoin's run is going to start to, you know, slow down when it comes to the altcoins. I think the altcoins are going to start, you know, taking back that dominance. So it says it's not, you know, altcoin season yet, but, you know, if I had to give this a number, I would say it's probably still in the middle here, about 46 to 50. But 31 just seems kind of low in my opinion, guys. Now, crypto bubbles, pretty much everything is in green still, despite us having like a negative day here. You know, with Bitcoin, I'm really surprised that, you know, we have pretty much all green across the board. This is just the top 100 though. You know, and things like Chill, which I never heard of, it's down pretty big. CFX, I don't know what that is, but it's down fairly big. So yeah, probably more of your, you know, not so reputable projects are going to be down. You know, XMR, that's a privacy coin. Yeah, I mean, it's been basically what I guess Binance like took it off the exchange, and yeah, I mean, you know, GRT and Theta, good projects. Stacks is a good project. ETH, I'm kind of, I guess, neutral, if maybe even leaning more towards negative with ETH. BNB, excellent, but it's down. So, but anyways, guys, I think the majority of the projects are still up, which is kind of amazing in my opinion, you know. Now, if you want to stake your Mina, you do have a chance to stake it on Kraken. I think I have Kraken, but, you know, I think my Mina is actually held in Uphold because I was staking it there, and it just really cost too much to send it out. I probably wouldn't make as much, you know, back really quickly that I would lose when I send it out. So it doesn't make sense for me, if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, yeah, Bit2Me, like I've said before, you have to have their coin, and then you can have the full rewards, and it takes a lot of Bit2Me to get that full, you know, 15.4%. But XT, yeah, just keep in mind you do have these lockup periods, and you do have limits, you know, with your Mina. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you about Mina. You know, like I said, I do have kind of a small bag of this, and you know, keep in mind we do have to break above this weekly resistance at 58 cents. After that, you have a daily at about 65, and then you have about 72.5 cents another daily. So don't want to get too far ahead there, but that's what Mina looks like. And Bitcoin, guys, we'll see where we can close on this. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.